From Sooner Standards, Remix and Modify Programs, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5APM02. Students learn to modify, remix, or borrow portions of an existing program to develop something new or add more advanced features, and I can give credit to the original creator. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual modify remix incorporate comparison chart, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,